Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge Series Day number 2, layout number 2. For this one, I am using a sketch from Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Facebook group, and it is her National Scrapbook Day free sketch. There were 4 of them, so this is one of the 4 that I'm starting off with. I will show you a close-up here in just a minute. Now this layout, I'm starting with one piece of paper from the collection that I have for my kit, which is here. And I pulled this other paper from my stash. I think it's an old basil, the linen look basil. Anywho, so I have that as my background paper to frame my layout, if you will. And I'm also going to cut a piece of that, the center of that, so that I can map my photo. As far as embellishments go, I pulled in 3 rolls of washi tape here, and I put them on a piece of scrap cardstock. And I do this because without that, with this heavy pattern and the metallic that's in this pattern, when that gets behind the washi tape, you'll be able to see it through, and I want these to be more opaque. I pulled in a couple little bows that I have here. I pulled in another wood veneer piece. I pulled in a couple of these floral bits. I pulled in a framed Polaroid framed heart from a leftover bin. I pulled in these frames from my 49 and Market frames here. There's the two sizes there. This is just a scrap from this collection from Close to My Heart, another little stamp, tag, and then I pulled out this framed journal spot. And I have this word, happiness, that is from Ellie Studio, and then I have this sticker sheet from Close to My Heart. And you can see the photo there is of my granddaughter. We were on vacation 4th of July, can you imagine? Anywho, so this is where well, that's not all of it. From there, I have these 2 sticker sheets. I don't have anything in mind planned for these, but I want to see as I get a little bit farther along where I could use something from one of these 2 sticker sheets on. So we'll see. I pulled in these flowers. If I do use these, there's foam adhesive on the back of these, and it's pretty chunky. I'll pull that off, as well as spray it with a little bit of water and really smash it down and probably pull out that inner piece that is so hard, that makes it stand up tall, or cut it down. I pulled in these stickers from Jot and these stickers from Jot as well. I've pulled in a couple of different enamel dots. These are, sorry, not enamel dots, flat back pearls. These are the orange set, and then these are the dewdrops from Want to Scrap. And then I pulled in this font thicker to create my title along with the acrylic piece. So let me put this together. I'm going to show you a close-up of the sketch. Anyway, guys, give me a second and I'll be right back. Okay, friends, I am done. So what I used, let me start off with what I didn't use. I had I had these 2 sets of flower embellishments from Jot. I did not use either of those, so those will go back. All of this stuff will go back to hopefully use on another layout. That's it. Everything else I used. Here are my background. Here is my background paper that I cut down to go on top of the dark green. Those are the scraps from that sheet of paper. This is from the scrap sheet that I pulled in to put my washi strips on. And there are those 3, and these are what I have left over. That was the other thing I didn't use. I put the peach one down, and then I didn't end up using that, so those will go right back into my collection. I'm sure I'll use those up. I did use a couple of the bows from this sheet. I did use the floral cluster from here. I did use the photo frames. I pulled out a larger one and a smaller one, and I cut off the end pieces for the larger one, and then there's what's left of the smaller one. I did use one of the stickers, the one that says home. I used that there. I did use this font to create part of my title. And I did use these 2 blings that I pulled in, the dewdrops and then the flat back pearls. And I also pulled in this set of crystal or jewel tone brads or bling. And finally, here is the layout that I created. It's titled, you may not be able to see it real well. It shows up a little bit more in person, but it's Pure Happiness. And then you can see I clustered around the dewdrops, flatback pearls, and gemstones. There's that one little sticker. There is the other. Here is the framed journal spot along with the ribbons. There is the wood veneer with more bling around here. 2 of the washi strips, the tag, the photo frames there, the 2 different sizes, the stamp, the picture frame with the heart in it, another, the 2 bows are on this side, and then that little cluster there, and lots of small bitty blings around there. I have yet to put the date on here or the journaling on here. I want to hold off and put that on off camera. Anywho, yeah, I will have close-ups of the embellishment clusters at the end of the video, so if you're interested in seeing those, please feel free. Stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys being here, and I appreciate you watching this video. Anywho, that's a wrap for today. I will be back tomorrow with day number 3. I appreciate you guys being here, and if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.